All right, today we have a Southwestern Industries Trak 1845 SX lathe, serial number 154DN397. It's new in 2015. Has a Proto Trak SLX control, 2-speed gearbox, variable speed. It's currently in the low range, doing 125 RPM. Speed up a little bit. That's 450. That's about the middle of the range for low. Stop it. Switch over. Again, we'll show you. That's 450 in the high range. Bring it up a little bit. That's 750 in the high range. Max RPM is 2500. That's 1050 RPM. Machine runs very, very well. Machine's also equipped with a Dorian Smart Dex 25N CNC turret. We can index that. Another one. Do one more. Now you have electronic hand wheels here. It's your Z-axis. You also have rapid handle. It's your X-axis. That is the original scraping on the bed. On the cross slide, rather. See, your X-axis hand wheel works too. You have your tailstock. It's nice and easy. Inch-and-metric graduations on the tailstock. Machine's also equipped with coolant, has automatic lubrication system. Thank you for watching the video.